How to create prompt in Bing AI 2024. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Bing AI and how you're going to create a prompt in this amazing AI software. Now, creating a prompt is not an issue because all you're going to need to do is you're going to come here and write anything that you want, and that will be your prompt. So, to create a proper prompt for yourself, what you can do is you can actually ask it to surprise you. And once you click here on surprise me, you're going to see that it loads up and look at that. A happy black woman wearing a VR headset in a Shangri-La with a rainbow digital art. But if you don't like that, you can click on it to surprise you again, and it's going to create a new prompt, a vintage microphone robot digital art. And obviously, once you like whatever prompt you've added in by, having AI create the prompt for you, you're simply going to go ahead and click on create, and look at that. How incredible does that look? So that is how you're going to be creating a prompt in Bing AI 2024. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.